Welcome to Rekor Academy, quick bits of knowledge to help you get the most out of your Rekor products and services. For both Rekor and our OpenALPR solution suite, your security is extremely important. That's why we employ state-of-the-art security standards and take pride in protecting the data of both the public and customers alike. Here are the ways that we make your security our top priority. Database security. Both user and vehicle data is stored in secure databases where only Rekor system admins have access. Vehicle data access. Your vehicle data is accessible 24/7 until it is purged after a set interval based on your selected Watchman plan. Data privacy. Customer data is only used to provide our services. It is not shared with any third party. Payment encryption. Credit card information is never stored, and we utilize a PCI Service Provider Level 1 merchant for payment processing. User encryption. All in-transit user data, including password, payment details, and other sensitive information, is encrypted with 256-bit SSL. CGIS compliance. Hosted on AWS GovCloud, we can handle info securely on our CGIS compliant platform that adheres to the stringent guidelines required by government entities and law enforcement. Most importantly, we understand that your data is sensitive. And when you work with Rekor, you work with the most advanced and comprehensive security, period.